Listen up, Spartan. This is Master Chief, and I'm about to teach you how to shave properly. You may be thinking, what does shaving have to do with combat? Well, let me tell you, a good shave can make all the difference in a close quarters battle. It's about attention to detail and making sure every aspect of your appearance is on point. So, let's get started. First, make sure you have the proper equipment. Just like with any mission, having the right tools is essential. You'll need a sharp razor, shaving cream or gel, and warm water. Don't skimp on quality, Spartan. A dull blade will only lead to disaster, just like a malfunctioning weapon. Next, prepare your skin for the shave. Splash some warm water on your face and let it soak in for a minute or two. This will soften your facial hair and make it easier to cut, just like how we soften up the defenses of our enemies before we attack. Once you've prepped your face, it's time to lather up. Apply shaving cream or gel to your face and work it in thoroughly. This is where attention to detail comes in. Make sure you cover every inch of your face, just like we scan every inch of an area for potential threats. Now it's time to start shaving. Hold your razor at a 30-degree angle and start with light, short strokes. Don't press too hard or you'll end up with cuts and nicks, just like how we need to use precision and finesse in combat. As you shave, be sure to rinse your razor frequently. This will keep the blade clean and prevent it from getting clogged up, just like how we need to keep our weapons in top shape. When you're done shaving, rinse your face with cool water to close up your pores. Then, pat your face dry with a clean towel. You should be left with a smooth, clean shave, just like how we leave an area free of enemy threats. Remember, Spartan, a good shave is all about attention to detail and precision. So take these instructions to heart and make sure your face is always mission ready.